Welcome to the 2025 Microdrone Racing Championships, Cana-Whoop. We're here in Lucan, Ontario to find the best whoop racer in the land.
I see right through you. 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 I see right.
Farmers, lap 3.
His mom has got it going on.
Oh, it's finally connected. This dude's so calm, and I'm like the most stressed I've ever been.
The community awards are us four, we vote on them. This is Rookie of the Year. Rookie of the Year goes to the best rookie, the most dedicated, the guy who improved the most this year, most definitely. It's Dragon. Dragon is the most valuable pilot, and he's the most valuable pilot to the community. This year, it's Alt. The big D this year, Boomerang.
Oh, I love you guys. I love you, everyone.
Never misses a race. Never misses a race.
Okay, in third, we had K-Bar. And in second in sports class, we got Tom John, our very own Nick, our own 19.
Back. Stop.
Don't fall.
Guys, we had pro class, we had 4 finalists.
2 tags.
Flying fast all day, all night long. First place, pro class 2025 Cana-Whoop. Make some noise for Team FPV Canada. Pork chop.
Woo, baby! Fit my head.
3 podium finishes in 3 weeks. How do you feel?
I'm feeling mighty fine. Make that 4, because we also got second in mayhem.
4 podium positions in 3 weeks. Even better. Gotta love this guy. The energy's amazing. The flying's awesome. Congratulations to all 4 finalists of Pro Class. I can't wait to see how fast you guys get next time.
Goddamn Americans.
Yeah, really. And we gave them out to the top 25 guys this year. So number 25 is Mr. Kimbo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
25.
Participation award.
Yeah. Attendance. 24, Vander Jake. And just Gamer.
21, where I'm comfortable.
Number 19, Cowboy West. Travels all over the place to come to these races. Okay, number 18, Dragon.
Yeah.
Number 17, Little AP.
Yeah.
14th is Alt. 12th going to Tom John. Holding up a bunch of races this year. Thank you for helping out with having places for us to fly, man. We can never get enough. All right, 2 tags for our 11. Keep it up to the top. Look at the gates here. Big dude, Boomerang. Where you at, boy? Let's get it.
I paid for that, man. I paid for that.
That Big D, man, pays off. 9 going to Fertilistic. Another fast rally here at our clubs. Number 8 going to Thumpa. Moving up. Alright, this one's hilarious because AJ did these and he forgot the spaces, so it's a GIF. AJ! Yeah.
No freestyle.
5 was myself. Another US guy, Tweech, number 4. Making it tons of races and winning all the time. Congratulations, dude. One of the top 3. So this is like not only just attendance, it's important because you gotta win to be up there. And we know always who Mr. Consistent is Nick Rowe. Mr. Consistent.
Give it up, Nick.
We're down to the wire. We got Farmers. Farmers. Taking number 2.
We don't have any anymore.
No,
we don't have any more.
No, we're done.
Give me my number 1, baby. I barely beat you.
He barely caught it because he was all in China for like 3-4 weeks. Everybody knows these guys are getting, there's gift cards from Precision FPV, so I'll get your
Give yourselves a round of applause. We got an awesome season coming up. I'm so excited. Happy